Today marks the end of the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, and thanks to the dedication and hard work of our Indian Olympic athletes, we recorded the highest ever tally at the game, winning 1 gold, 2 silver, and 4 bronze medals. All of them who participated in these Olympic Games are champions and winners in their own way because they know what it takes to reach that far, where they give all of it that they have to win an Olympic medal for their country. These Olympic Games are not only about sportsmanship and hard work of an athlete, but it also demonstrates their love for the country and how one's country unites to shower their best wishes and support. But have you ever wondered about how these Olympic medals are made? Well, I, Supriya Pundir, through this video will clear all your doubts about Olympic medals. To understand this, let's go back to the history. It all started with the ancient Olympic Games held in Olympia, Greece from 8th century BC to 4th century AD. But in 1894, Baron Pere de Coubertin founded the International Olympic Committee, which led to the start of the first modern Olympic Games in Athens in 1896, and the first winter edition was held in France in 1924. And since 1994, the Olympic Games have alternated between summer and winter edition every 2 years, with 4-year period for each Olympiad. However, unlike these modern Olympic Games, champions were not awarded gold, silver, or bronze medals. Instead, ancient Olympic winners were awarded an olive branch twisted into a circle to form a crown. For ancient Greeks, these wild olive branches, called kotinos, has a deep religious significance. But this changed in 1896, where the tradition of awarding medals to winners began. The first place winners were given silver medal and second place winners were awarded bronze medal, while the third position athletes left empty-handed. The tradition that we know today of awarding the medals of gold, silver and bronze to the winners were started in Summer Olympics of 1904 in St. Louis. But are these Olympic medals made of real gold and silver? According to the International Olympic Committee, both gold and silver medals must contain at least 92.5% of silver. The gold in gold medals is in the plating of the outside, and it must consist of at least 6 grams of pure gold. Silver medal, on the other hand, is made up of pure silver, while bronze medals are 95% of copper and 5% of zinc. There are certain requirements for these Olympic medals, in which each medal must include 5 ring symbol, Greek goddess of victory Nike, and official name of the respective games. For the Tokyo Olympics 2020, around 5,000 medals were produced. For these Olympic medals, a new creative initiative was taken by the host country Japan. This time, Olympic medals contain material recycled from the electronic devices donated by Japanese people, while the ribbons attached to them were also made up of 50% of recycled plastic bottles, and the gold was mercury free. So, what do you think about Japan's Olympic medals made of recycled material? Share your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to Mind Makers for more such videos.